up, Empress Beauty Gang? It's your girl E, and I'm back with another video. You guys, and today I'm going to be freestyling a lip gloss for you guys. So, first things first, you want to make sure your area is sanitized. You have your tools and your utensils. I already have my bowl down to get my Residue in the bowl. Yeah, and let's just get started. So y'all already know the routine. After you get your Residue in the bowl, you're gonna add your oil. Right here, I'm just using like a mixture of oils, such as like grapeseed, vitamin E, coconut oil. You can use almond oil. You can use sunflower seed oil. You can use whatever kind of oil that you want, and that works good with your body, or whatever works with your customers or your people that you're making lip gloss for. Use whatever oil you like to use. And now you just want to mix. For this one, I'm not too for sure what I'm going to name this lip gloss because, like I said, I'm freestyling. I'm going to be mixing two different colors together. So in the comments down below, just make sure you guys leave names, like what I can name lip glosses, or if you have like a requested lip gloss color that I should make, put it down in the comments and I'll see what I can do, and then I'll even let you guys name the lip glosses once I put it on my website. The one that I'm making today, it is not on my website as of right now, but I do want to put it on my website for like a holiday bundle deal. So definitely leave a comment down below, like what should I name it. Now I'm just going to be taking like this white pigmentation that I got from TKB Trading. It is kind of small just because it's a sample packet and I haven't completely used it all the way. Just be careful with these because the oil and the pigment in the packet, it does separate a little bit, so you want to like squeeze it together between your fingers to kind of like mix the oil and the pigment back together before you pour it out. But I did add that in first just to kind of mix it with the Residue to make it like a cream color. Now I'm just taking this chocolate color. I think that's what it's called, chocolate, and it's from TKB Trading as well. It's a sample packet, so I'm just taking a little bit of that and mixing it in there. With these pigments, you guys, it is really pigmented, so you don't want to use a lot. Like, you see how much I used? It was just like a couple dots, and it completely colored this whole Residue mixture that I have going on here. So you just want to use little at a time until you do get the color that you like. I did order some browns coming in the mail, but I just wanted to freestyle for you guys because I'm running out of lip gloss ideas, and I just want you guys to leave them down below. Okay, so here I'm just going to show you the new mixture that I had, and then the other lip gloss color that I had. The darker one is called Melanin Drip, and you can get that on my website at www.empressbeautycosmetics.net. I will leave it down in the description box down below so you guys can shop with me. Now I'm just taking this chocolate raspberry ×2 flavoring oil that I got from Get Suckered. You can get your flavoring oils from almost anywhere. You can get it from like the baking section. You can get it from online, Amazon, on the website. I see that Walmart has stepped their game up with flavoring oils as well. Now I'm just taking my preservative. I got this from Amazon. For this, you really want to do your research because I use preservative in my lip glosses so it will last longer and keep the lip glosses fresh. I got this from Amazon, and I had to do like some math and calculations, like how much preservative you need to put in a batch of lip gloss. For this amount, I only put like 2 or 3 dots because it's so strong, and you do not want your lip gloss to smell fake or to have like a tingling sensation on your lips. So that is something to really be careful with, but I do recommend preservative to keep your lip glosses fresh. Now I'm just prepping my pipette and my syringe. I just cut my pipette, put it on my syringe, sucked up the lip gloss that I'm going to be dispensing into my lip gloss tubes. Now I'm just going to start filling my squeeze tube. As you can see, I squeeze the bottom of my squeeze tube to make sure that my lip gloss does get in the cracks and the crevices of the lip gloss tube. I want to make sure it's filled as much as possible. I kind of overfilled it just a little bit, but for those I do like to fill them much so it doesn't have an air bubble in them. But you know, like I said before, for your wand tubes, you do not want to fill it all the way to the top because you need room to put your stopper as well as your wand inside the tube. And if you overfill it, you know that the stopper is going to come off, as well it's going to make a huge mess all over the place. And that's just something you're just going to have to get used to or learn what to do. Just try not to fill your wand tube as much. That's how you fill them lip gloss tubes, you guys. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you drop down below what should I name these lip glosses, because I am lost for names, you guys. I need to know exactly what I need to name my lip glosses. I want to let my supporters, my subscribers, name my lip glosses. Thank you so much for getting me to 124 subscribers. I love every single one of you guys. And whoever comes up with the name for this lip gloss and I actually like it, I will shout you out in my next video if we do come up with the name by my next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Go ahead and go visit my website at www.empressbeautycosmetics.net. And I'll see you later. Bye, Empress Beauty Gang.